name's Morgan Jenkins. I'm a service sales representative for Clifford Power. We are located on a roof today. It is very common for a central downtown location to have a generator located on a roof. If your generator is located on your roof, it could be out of sight, out of mind, which would also include your battery in your generator being out of sight, out of mind. When's the last time your generator was inspected? Do you know when your battery was replaced last? Let's talk about good maintenance on your batteries. Were you aware that the number one reason for generators failing to start are actually the batteries? Your batteries should be replaced every 24 to 30 months. This meets the NFPA 110 code, as well as keeping your batteries reliable. Your batteries are constantly on a charger, which is great for keeping the battery steady so that it can start for you. However, over time, this is hard on the battery. That is why there's a quick turnaround of 24 to 30 months on your batteries. Outside of replacing your battery every 24 to 30 months, you should also be doing a visual inspection as well as a conductance test. When you do the visual inspection, it's highly recommended to find the date tag on the battery, which should list a month and year that it was manufactured. This should be within that 24 to 30 month period. The other thing that you're looking for is corrosion. There should be no corrosion on your battery, the cables, they should be tight, as well as the battery itself should be clean and in good condition. When you perform a conductance test, this simulates the load of the engine starting, revealing the health and cold cranking amps of your battery. Everyone wants a reliable generator, and for it to start when it needs to. So make sure you're replacing your battery every 24 to 30 months, doing that visual and conductance testing, as well as making sure that your generator's in good operating condition.